Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from Penetration Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the best knowledge about life, about career, how you can write down one professionalism, what are the things you need to do in an HR interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization. So I've tried to provide you the best knowledge as per my knowledge. So in my today's session, I'm going to talk about something that is what is called Chat GPT and how does Chat GPT work. So in my previous session, I've already talked about how either ChatGPT is safe or not. So in my today's session, I'm going to describe about ChatGPT and the latest version of it. So let's get started. So ChatGPT has been a household name for less than a year, but the algorithms working in the background of the popular AI tool have actually been powering a whole range of apps and services since 2020. So to understand how ChatGPT works, we need to start by talking about the underlying language engine that powers it. The GPT in ChatGPT is mostly two related algorithms. So GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4, though the later is only available in ChatGPT for ChatGPT Plus subscribers. The GPT bit stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and the number is just the version of the algorithm. The GPT models were developed by OpenAI. So the company behind ChatGPT and the image generator is DALLE, that is DALL-E 2. But the power everything from Bing AI features to writing tools like Jasper and Copy AI. In fact, most of the AI text generators available at the moment use ChatGPT, GPT 3.5 and GPT-4, though they tend to keep quiet when they use each one. So ChatGPT brought GPT into the limelight because it made the process of interacting with AI text generators simple and, most importantly, free to everyone. Plus, it's a chatbot and people have loved a good chatbot since Smarter Chat. With GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 are the most popular large language models, that is called LLMs. Right now, over the next few years, there is likely to be lot more competition. Google, for example, has BARD, that is called BARD, its AI chatbot, which is powered by its own language engine, Pathways language model, that is called PALM2. Meta, Facebook parent company, released LLAMA2, its latest LLM, and then there are other options aimed at large companies. So like writers, that is Palmera LLM, and the Anthropic Cloud, still at least for now, OpenAI is offering the de facto industry standard. So it's just the easiest tool for people to get their hands on. So the answer to how does ChatGPT work is basically GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 is the version that ChatGPT works. So what is ChatGPT? To know more or for the deeper understanding, right now we are going to talk about what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an app built by OpenAI using the GPT language model. It can answer your question with write copy and draft emails, hold a conversation, explain code in different programming languages, translate natural language to code, and more, or at least try to, all based off natural language prompts you feed it. It's a chatbot, but a really, really good one. So why it's cool to play around with? If say you want to write a sonnet about your pet or get a few ideas from subject lines for some marketing emails, it's also good for OpenAI. It's a way to get a lot of data from real users and serves as a fancy demo for the power of GPT, which could otherwise feel a little fuzzy unless you were deep into machine learning. That data collection got Chat GPT blocked in Italy in early 2023, though Italian regulators concerned how have now been resolved. Right now, ChatGPT offers two GPT models. The default GPT 3.5 is less powerful but available to everyone for free. The more advanced GPT-4 is limited to ChatGPT Plus subscribers only. And even they only get a limited number of questions every day. It's 25 questions every 3 hours at present, but that could change. So one of ChatGPT's big features is that it can remember the conversation you are having with it. This means it can glean context from whatever you are asked for previously and then use that to inform conversations with you. You are also able to ask for rework and corrections, and it will refer back to whatever you've been discussing before. So it makes interacting with the AI feel like a genuine back and forth. If you want to really get a feel for it, go and spend 5 minutes playing with ChatGPT. So after that, you will get to know how it works and how ChatGPT can make people's life more smooth. So guys, this is for now. In PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java DevOps. We are providing the training in data science, Python, AI, and machine learning, Salesforce as well. So if you're a candidate who wanted to start your career through PCS Global, kindly communicate with us and get the best from our side. And in PCS Global, our employee internship learning program is also going on. So you can join that learning internship program also. So in that process, we are providing the details of this one is a placement training program. So you can join and you can get the best from our side. PCS Global is right now located in Kolkata. PCS Global is in Bhubaneswar. PCS Global is in Bengaluru also. So which location is preferable for you? You need to think about it and you need to decide it, and you can come down in our centers also physically. Our walk-ins are going on. You can join our walk-in sessions also. Our number has been provided in the screen, so you can call description box. You can call us. You can visit our website to know more about PCS Global in our LinkedIn page also. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now. If you wanted to connect with me, I'm providing my number. You can call me. Okay. And if you find my videos are helpful enough, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and do comment below. So this is for now. Bye.